of the Christ earlier, my biggest goal was that people wouldn't see me, that they would see Jesus Christ. And so I thought, well, I'm just this knucklehead actor. Man, what could I do? Well, I know the Mass, so I took the Eucharist every day. So now I got the Eucharist in me. I made sure I went to confession every day because I believed the Messiah didn't have any sin in him. And then I tried to focus, so I prayed the Rosary, and I just then I was. And then at one point during the Last Supper, I asked Father Fulco, I said, hey, will you take the monstrance, put it next to the movie camera, and so when the world sees my eyes, they'll at least see the reflection of the monstrance of Jesus Christ in my eyes. And that just, when I watched the movie, you literally see a reflection of the priest in the eye with the monstrance, so they're literally seeing Jesus. So just simple things like that in the sacrament that made truly that kind of performance.